Hey everyone, welcome to the Art of Being Curious. Today I want to take you on a vibrant journey through one of India's most beloved festivals, Holi. Imagine a world bursting with colors, laughter, and joy. Let's dive into this beautiful celebration. Picture this. It's the full moon in March and the air is filled with excitement. Holi, known as the Festival of Colors, marks the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. It's a time when families and friends come together, putting aside their differences to celebrate love and renewal. Isn't that a beautiful way to welcome a new season? Now, let's step back in time and explore the legends that make Holi so special. One of the most famous tales is about a demon king named Hiranyakashipu. He was powerful and wanted everyone to worship him. But his son, Prahlad, had a heart full of devotion for Lord Vishnu. Frustrated by his son's loyalty, Hiranyakashipu plotted to kill him. He called upon his sister, Holika, who had a magical boon that protected her from fire. But as fate would have it, when Holika tried to burn Prahlad, the fire consumed her instead, leaving Prahlad unharmed. This story teaches us that good ultimately triumphs over evil, a theme that resonates deeply during Holi. As the sun sets on the eve of Holi, bonfires are lit in a celebration known as Holika Dahan. Families gather around, singing and dancing, symbolizing the burning away of negativity. But the real magic happens the next day. Imagine stepping outside to a world transformed into a canvas of colors. Friends and families take to the streets, armed with vibrant powders known as gulal and water balloons. It's a joyous battle where laughter fills the air as everyone playfully douses each other in colors. Holi isn't just celebrated in one way. It varies beautifully across different regions of India. In Mathura and Vrindavan, the birthplace of Lord Krishna, the festivities can last for days. Here, people reenact the playful love stories of Krishna and Radha, filling the streets with music, dance, and of course colors. It's like stepping into a fairy tale where joy knows no bounds. And what's a festival without food? During Holi, tables are laden with delicious treats. One must try is gujia, a sweet dumpling filled with a delightful mix of koya and nuts. And let's not forget thandai, a refreshing drink that cools you down after a day of fun. Families prepare these delicacies not just for themselves, but to share with neighbors, creating a spirit of togetherness. If you're thinking about joining in the celebrations, here are a few friendly tips. Always opt for organic colors to keep your skin safe. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, and wear clothes you don't mind getting stained. Most importantly, embrace the spirit of the festival. Have fun, dance, and spread love. Thank you for joining us on this colorful journey through Holi. It's a festival that not only celebrates colors, but also the bonds of love and friendship. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share your own Holi experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more cultural tales. Until next time, keep the spirit of joy alive and never forget to stay curious.